Pupuk Sriwijaya Palembang, known as Pusri, a subsidiary of Pupuk Indonesia Holding Company, is the first fertilizer company established in Indonesia. It has 4 business clusters: fertilizer, chemical, ammonia, and industrial supports. Pusri runs 4 factories: Pusri 1B, Pusri 2B, Pusri 3, and Pusri 4. Our products cover domestic needs and international markets, especially the Asia-Pacific region. Pusri strives to strengthen its business through digitalization and innovation initiatives. In 2021, Pusri received the Indi 4.0 award from the Government of Indonesia in the Aggressive Digitalization category. In the production process, Digital Transformation 4.0 is implemented through Pusri Smart Production. Digitization of the plant process uses Interactive Process Display or IPD. Data taken from each automation and control equipment, using various communication protocols, is processed into digital data. It is then displayed on a user-friendly dashboard through data communication protocols. Data integrated from the existing system is then transferred to a mirror database and HMI mirror that can be accessed in real time through the internet network without disrupting the existing control system. Data in the HMI mirror come from all plants, including the petrochemical ammonia plant, and from all critical equipment, such as compressors, generators, governor speed control, and so on. The IPD system has an artificial intelligence feature that predicts most critical production parameter values accurately 1 hour in advance. Production operators get suggestions on which parameters to be monitored to make the production process much more efficient. These are some of the advantages of Pusri IPD technology. Real-time online access to information. Internal and external cloud database. Facilitate cause and effect analysis. Increase operational reliability and availability. Increase production efficiency. Decrease environmental impact. IPD is one of the most valuable industrial IoT solutions. Pusri Integrated Plant Management System, known as the I-PMS, integrates data and monitors plant operations via the internet. It improves plant performance by providing persons in charge access to monitor plant's health from a sophisticated dashboard indicating key parameters of process performance. Automatic warning will notify whenever an instrument equipment becomes unstable. Here are some of Pusri Smart Production benefit. Overcome unscheduled shutdown caused by critical equipment instability. Increases plant reliability and availability. Increases urea production. Reduces operational costs. Speeds up reporting and data analysis for decision-making. Increases stakeholder satisfaction. With smart production, Pusri attests its commitment to innovate processes, produce high-quality fertilizer, and achieve sustainable growth that can meet future needs. Pupuk Sriwijaya Palembang. Sustainable to the next level. Pupuk Indonesia Holding Company. We prosper with Indonesia.